That means uJesu sekuwuye ayaziyo idate ngoba first time wayitshela ukuthi landa abantwana. So uJesu wabona ukuthi okay, oh it is today. So wabona ukuthi oh this is the day uNkulunkulu athi ngilanda abantwana. Then uJesu sekuyazi ke from that day. Kodwa uJesu wacela kuBaba wathi please kancane baba sizabalanda ngisabalungisa ngisathumela abanye bayobatshela ukuthi baphenduke ngempela ngoba ngifuna ukulanda ibandla eliphila holy. So ke ubaba ke ulinde ukuthi uJesu indodana imtshele ukuthi baba manje ke nyabalanda. Ningizwa kahle bazalwane? Mangiyenza iexample mina ngithi kubazalwane ngithi umzali makayenza iwill yakhe umzali uyenza I1 isecret yakhe I1. But the day agula atshela abantwana bakhe ukuthi bantwana bami sondelani ke abatshela ukuthi ngiyenze iwill mina 20 years ago ukuthi lo uzothatha ini lo athathe ini mangifa la, and uyabatshela ukuthi ilawyer yakhe ubani ukuthi balanda amaphepha amadocument wonke kula on that lawyer to that lawyer. So ke abantwana from that day now they know ukuthi oh ilawyer yakababa wethu kanti usibani bani. Now they know because ubaba wabo sekabatshelile, and ubaba wabo sekabatshela ukuthi lo uzothatha indlu, lo athatha tractor, lo athatha truck, lo athatha pick and pay mhlawumbe. You see, they belong to the Father. Now they know the will ngoba sekabatshelile. So naye uJesu ke bazalwane ngalelo langa ubaba wakhe athi balande emhlabeni wabona uJesu ukuthi oh yilo lelanga leli, then ke uJesu walibamba lelanga leli wathi baba kancane.
Ukurepenta is preparing yourself for the rapture. Awungahlali and do nothing ulinde rapture. The reason why we are here is to correct ukuthi God is not a respecter of people. God is not the respecter of men. Abazalwane abayeke ukuthenga ubuso bethu bafunde iBhayibheli.